For this craft, you will need a ruler, a marker, pen, or pencil, whatever you can use, scissors, elastic, fabric. I'm using a sweatshirt, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is move your stuff aside and get your sweatshirt and flatten it out. And another thing, if you don't want to use the back or the front, you can just use a sleeve. Now what you're going to do, you want to make sure that the good side is facing up. I know it's going to be weird, but you want to make sure the good side is facing up. Then you're going to get the top piece and fold it over, and then you're going to get the bottom piece and glue it. It might not make sense, but once you watch, it will. Now that you have that, you're going to put it inside out. After you've done that, then you're going to want to get your elastic, and then you're going to cut 9 inches of this, and make sure that it's not tight when you cut 9 inches. Make sure it's loose. Now you're going to get your safety pin and pin it through your elastic. Then after that, you're going to stick it through your tube of fabric, if you know what I mean. Then once you get your safety pin all the way through, you're going to unpin it and you're going to tie the 2 elastics, 2 knots or 3 knots. I usually do 3 knots just to be safe. Now you're going to take one of the sides that you gathered it with, whatever side looks better for you, and you're going to tuck it, hide the other piece in there, and then glue that. Hopefully that makes sense. Just watch and you'll get it. And here is your scrunchie. Yeah, yay. I'm just grabbing some of my hair so you can see that it works. It is good. Yeah, So, how to make a homemade scrunchie. You can even do it 3 times. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And you can easily just take it out. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, check out my other videos, do whatever you guys want. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
This whole world twice. If I could be a